Good morning. I am Marvin Quizan, an environmental science graduate with hands-on experience in environmental monitoring, research, and sustainability initiatives. During my internship at the Department of Environmental and Natural Resources, I assisted with environmental impact assessment, conducted field sampling, and helped educate over 500 community members on sustainable practices. I also work as a research assistant at my university, contributing to a biodiversity conservation project and co-authoring a paper presented to a regional symposium. I am skilled in data analysis, GIS tools, and environmental reporting with a strong understanding of local and international environmental regulations. I am passionate about using science and community engagement to drive sustainable solutions. And I'm eager to bring my knowledge and dedication to a team that values environmental protection and innovation.